The year is 2025 and supercars have gone mad, faster, smarter, and more electrified than ever. Forget what you knew. The rulebook's been shredded, and the new breed blends mind-bending speed with cutting-edge tech and even a touch of green. Buckle up, let's dive into the wildest supercars of 2025. Lamborghini's Revuelto is here. A V12 masterpiece, now with 3 electric motors for a total of 1,001 horsepower. It's a plug-in hybrid that rockets to 60 in 2.5 seconds and tops out at 217 miles per hour, all while offering silent electric cruising when you want it. The design? Still pure Lambo, aggressive, dramatic, and unmistakable. But this isn't compromise. It's evolution, fusing tradition with electrification for a smarter, even more ferocious bull. The Revuelto proves Lamborghini can embrace the future without losing its soul. The raging bull hasn't been tamed, it's been supercharged. Over in Maranello, Ferrari's 296 GTB rewrites the rules with a compact, elegant body and a twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor. Together, they unleash 819 horsepower, launching the car to 60 in 2.9 seconds. It's agile, responsive, and can glide silently on electric power or explode into life with a howl. Ferrari's hybrid isn't just about speed, it's about balance, agility, and pure driving joy. The 296 GTB is 2 cars in one, a refined city cruiser and a savage track weapon. Ferrari's hybrid era is here, and it's every bit as thrilling as you'd hope. The prancing horse is leading the charge into the future. Aston Martin's Valhalla is a British hybrid hypercar with a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 and 2 electric motors, delivering 937 horsepower and a 2.5-second sprint to 60. It's a carbon fiber, wind-sculpted weapon, more aggressive than any Aston before, yet still luxurious inside. The Valhalla balances daily usability with face-melting performance, using clever hybrid tech for all-wheel drive and even EV-only mode. It's a bridge between Aston's grand touring past and a high-tech future. This is James Bond's new company car. If Q Branch went mad for speed, the Valhalla is British engineering, reimagined for the hybrid age, and we're all for it. Enter the Rimac Nevera, Croatia's all-electric hypercar and the new king of speed. 4 electric motors, 1,914 horsepower, and a 0-60 time of 1.85 seconds. This is acceleration that borders on science fiction. It's not just fast in a straight line. Advanced torque vectoring lets it corner like nothing else. The Nevera's silent, relentless surge is a new kind of thrill, no roar, just pure, futuristic speed. It's a rolling tech statement, proving the future of ultimate performance is electric. While the old guard adapts, Rimac is already there. The Croatian thunderstorm has arrived and the world will never be the same. The Corvette ZR1 is America's answer to the supercar elite, mid-engine twin-turbo V8, and rumored to pack over 850 horsepower. No hybrid tricks here, just raw rear-wheel drive muscle, engineered for lap records and maximum drama. Aggressive aero, massive power, and a soundtrack to rattle windows. This is the last stand of pure American performance. The ZR1 aims to prove an American icon can beat Europe at its own game. It's a statement of pride and ambition, wrapped in carbon fiber. The V8 hammer is ready to crash the supercar party. When it lands, expect fireworks. Today's supercars aren't just about brute force. They're rolling supercomputers. Advanced hybrids deliver instant torque and razor-sharp handling, while active aerodynamics constantly reshape the car for speed or grip. Carbon fiber is everywhere, making these machines lighter and stronger. AI driver coaches, like in the Rimac, teach you to drive faster in real time. Over-the-air updates mean your car can literally get better overnight. Even sustainability is creeping in. With recycled materials and lower emissions, the supercar is growing up, smarter, lighter, and more connected than ever. So, where are supercars headed? 3 paths. Hybrids like Ferrari and Lamborghini, all-electric rockets like Rimac, and the last hurrah of pure combustion with the Corvette. Hybrids blend tradition and tech, electrics push performance to new heights, and the old-school V8s deliver raw emotion. The next decade will bring lighter batteries, smarter AI, and maybe even carbon-neutral fuels. Supercars will keep pushing boundaries with today's tech trickling down to tomorrow's family cars. The golden age isn't over, it's evolving. The future is fast, smart, and surprisingly green. And it's only just getting started. From screaming V12s to silent electric rockets, the class of 2025 proves the supercar is alive and kicking. These machines are more than cars. They're rolling showcases of human passion and ingenuity. Whether you crave hybrid finesse, American muscle, or electric speed, there's something for everyone. Which would you drive? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. American icon, reimagined for the future. If you want style, speed, and everyday usability, the Mach-E delivers. It's not just another EV, it's a Mustang at heart. Ford's electric gamble has paid off. If safety is your top priority, the Volvo XC90 is the electric SUV to watch. Volvo's legacy of protection continues with a fortress of sensors, including a standard roof-mounted LiDAR for next-level awareness. LiDAR detects obstacles with precision day or night, helping prevent accidents before they happen. Inside, driver monitoring cameras track attention and well-being, ready to intervene if you're distracted or unwell. The X90's design is pure Scandinavian minimalism, clean lines, subtle details, and a calm, inviting presence. The cabin is spacious and filled with light thanks to a panoramic roof and sustainable materials like wool blends and responsibly sourced wood. It's a true three-row SUV offering real space for 7 adults and usable cargo room. Practicality is built in, from family road trips to daily errands. The ride is serene and composed, prioritizing comfort and quiet over sportiness. Dual-motor all-wheel drive ensures confident traction in any weather. The X90 is more than a car, it's a sanctuary, using advanced tech to create peace of mind. Volvo proves that safety and luxury can go hand in hand. If you want the ultimate in family protection, the EX90 leads the way. It's responsible luxury, designed for the real world. The X90 sets a new bar for safety in the electric era. This is Scandinavian style with next-level security. What if your car was more than just a car? Enter the Hyundai Ioniq 7. Built on Hyundai's eGMP platform, the Ioniq 7 maximizes interior space with a flat floor and long wheelbase. The lounge-like cabin features swiveling captain's chairs and a flexible open layout. Think living room on wheels. Expect clever touches, a sliding center console, mini fridge, and sustainable materials throughout. Ultra-fast 800V charging means you can add hundreds of miles in under 20 minutes. The bold exterior with signature parametric pixel lighting is as